In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Printify store to a Wix website. We'll start inside Printify, add Wix as a new sales channel, and then sign in to authorize the connection. First, log in to your Printify account and head to your dashboard. This is where you manage your connected stores, products, and orders. From the dashboard, find the New Store drop-down menu and click it. This is where you can connect a new e-commerce platform to Printify. Choose Add a New Store. Then select Wix from the list of available platforms. Selecting Wix tells Printify which type of store you want to connect, so it can guide you through the correct setup. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify and Wix tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Next, click Continue. You'll be prompted to provide your Wix website account details. Sign in to the Wix account that owns the website you want to connect, then follow the authorization prompts to allow Printify to link with your Wix store. Once the connection is approved, your Wix website will be connected to Printify and ready for you to publish products and manage fulfillment through Printify.